Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to earn money on Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various digital assets. In addition to its core functions, Trust Wallet also provides opportunities for users to earn money through staking, lending, and other investment options. To get started, you need to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once installed, create a new wallet and set up your account by following the in-app instructions. Make sure to securely back up your seed phrase and keep it safe, as this is the only way to recover your wallet in case you lose access. After setting up your wallet, you can start exploring the various earning options available. One way to earn money on Trust Wallet is through staking, which involves holding a certain amount of a specific cryptocurrency in your wallet to support the validation of transactions on its network. In return, you receive a portion of the block reward and any transaction fees associated with that block. To stake on Trust Wallet, navigate to the staking section of the app and choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Follow the in-app instructions to initiate the staking process, and your rewards will be automatically added to your wallet. Another way to earn money on Trust Wallet is through lending. This involves lending your cryptocurrencies to other users or institutions who use them for various purposes such as trading or investing. In return, you receive interest on your lent assets, which can be a lucrative way to generate passive income. To lend on Trust Wallet, go to the lending section of the app and select the cryptocurrency you want to lend. Choose the lending term and the interest rate you are willing to accept, and confirm the lending transaction. Your lent assets will be locked for the specified term, and you will receive the interest payments at the end of the term. It is essential to note that earning money on Trust Wallet involves risks, such as market volatility and smart contract risks. Therefore, it is crucial to do your own research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Trust Wallet provides a convenient and user-friendly way to earn money through staking, lending, and other investment options. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start earning money on Trust Wallet and take the first step towards building a profitable cryptocurrency portfolio. Always remember to stay informed, manage your risks, and keep your wallet and assets secure.